Okay, now the very first question under question number 3 was from the following figures taken from Auto Insurance Company Limited, prepare a revenue account of Marine Department for the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, they have given us a reserve for unexpired risk, premium on direct business, claim outstanding, claim paid, commission paid, premium on reinsurance accepted, ceded, commission on reinsurance ceded, claim outstanding, reinsurance claim recovered, commission on reinsurance accepted, and operating expenses. Okay, now the very first thing, okay, whenever you get such kind of question is first we will make the format. Okay, so I'll just get the highlighter on. Yeah, we will first make the format. Okay, the format is revenue account for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, we have particular schedule and amount. Under particulars, we have premium earned, that is schedule number 1, PNL on redemption of investment, others, and interest and dividend and rent. Okay, those are basically my earnings. Okay, these are all my incomes. I'll get the total, then I'll have my expenses under which I have claim paid, commission paid, operating expense. Once I get my expenses, then I will total it up. Okay, and then the total will be nothing but my either I'll be able to get my operating profit or operating loss. Okay, so that's the basic format of your revenue account for your marine department as well as your fire insurance department, because it will be the similar format only. Okay. Sure. Now, very first thing, number one, schedule number 1 is based on premium earned. So let us start solving, working note number 1. So working note number 1 or schedule number 1 for premium. This is the format that we all have to remember. Premium on direct business, add reinsurance accepted less reinsurance ceded, we get some total. Okay, that is will be our the A total, and then we need to find the change in reserves, and when you subtract both of them you will get your net premium. Okay, so now let us see. Very first thing is given here, premium on direct business number 1. So on direct business 31,60,000. Add reinsurance, so premium on reinsurance accepted 14,60,000 less premium on reinsurance ceded 6,40,000. So 3160 plus 1460 minus 6,40,000, you all will get the amount as 39,80,000. That is, let's say this is my A amount. Okay, now next is change in reserves. Under change in reserve, the very first thing that you need to note down is your opening. Now, if I can see, we can see here, reserve for unexpired risk as on 1st April 2021. That's the opening balance. Okay, now there was an error in the question paper. So this is 21 and this is also 21. Okay. So the value is 20,40,000. We noted down. Closing debt. Okay, now always remember the closing value of your unexpired risk for marine insurance is always 100% of your premium less premium net all your reinsurance. So basically your A, whatever is the value that you'll have received in the A part, okay, of that 100% will be the closing value of your reserve for unexpired risk for marine insurance. So 100% of 3980 is 3980. When you subtract, so our debit is greater than our credit, so it will be a debit balance. So that debit meaning positive, credit will be a negative balance. So debit is the positive balance, a positive 19,40,000. This is my debit, so we'll note down this as B. And finally, net premium is nothing but A minus B. So that will be 39,80,000 minus 19,40,000. You all should get the answer as 20,40,000 as your net premium. Okay, so premium on direct business, add reinsurance accepted less reinsurance ceded, and that is the first part. Second, we need to find the change in reserve, that is the opening less the closing. Whatever you get, you have to find the difference between the A and B, and that will become your net premium. Okay, chalo. Once you get 20,40,000, let us apply into the format. So in under our first schedule, we'll note down 20,40,000. Second, PNL on redemption of investment. Now, when we went through the entire thing, there was nothing related to insurance, so nil. So there is no other income. Okay, no interest, no dividend, no rent, nothing has been mentioned here, so nil. So my total of A part is 20,40,000. Second is claim paid. Okay, claim paid 20. This is under schedule 2. So let us first make the schedule 2. Schedule 2 of claim on direct business, add reinsurance accepted less reinsurance ceded, add outstanding at the end less outstanding at the beginning. This is the format of a schedule number 2. So claim on direct business. So if you can see a claim paid during the year 17,40,000, Add reinsurance accepted. The claims, we'll have to check anything which is accepted. So claim outstanding, okay, those are claims which are outstanding. So I can't see anything based on claim reinsurance accepted, so it will be nil. Reinsurance seeded, it's like a reinsurance claim recovered. Seeded is recovered, which is 8,60,000. We subtract it, we get the balance as 8,80,000. Outstanding at the end. So here you can see claim outstanding on 31st March 2022, and this is 31st March 21. So 21 is opening, 22 is closing. Closing is the end. So end May it will come 2,80,000 less outstanding at the beginning, which was 5,60,000. So 8,80,000 plus 2,80,000 minus 5,60,000. We'll get a net claim as 6 lakhs. Once we got the net claim, we will substitute into our claim, on our schedule number 2. So claim paid is 6 lakhs. Next is commission. So again, we'll make a format for commission. So commission on direct business is 10,40,000. That add reinsurance accepted. So that is commission reinsurance ceded. Commission accepted. Accepted is 73,000, and reinsurance ceded is 32,000. So 10,40 plus 73 minus 32,000 will give you a net commission of 10,81,000. Once we have got that, we will substitute into a format. So third schedule made 10,81,000. Operating expense is the schedule number 4. Now see, directly it's given a operating expense 8,60,000, so we take it as it is. We add up, we get the value as 25,41,000. So now my income side is 20,40,000. My expense is 25,41,000. So there's going to be operating loss in the sum. So operating loss will be 5,01,000. Okay. So this is how you all had to solve this particular question, question number 3, where they asked you to prepare the revenue account. We need to see operating loss or operating profit. So we have got in this question operating loss of 5,01,000. So this was the first question under question number 3, which was 15 marks. I hope everyone have understood that. Now we'll jump to the next part, the second question under or which was available. Okay, from the following business or balances of General Insurance Company Limited as on 31st March 2022, prepare fire revenue account, marine revenue account, and profit and loss account. Now, revenue account we just now did. Format remains the same. The format remains the same. Okay, the only thing, there's one additional thing here, that is profit and loss account. Okay, so we will start one by one. First thing, okay, it's known as Form B RA, that is the revenue account of marine revenue. So first we're going to do the marine revenue, because since we had done marine revenue recent, so we have a bit of idea about it. The format remains the same. Premium, PNL, others, interest, that's the first part, and claim paid, commission, operating is the other part. Okay, now they are giving us commission, they are giving you claim, they have given you bad debts, commission, reinsurance ceded, okay, management expense, and premium. Okay, the very first thing is premium earned. Now you're directly, whenever you get such kind of some meaning here, the amounts are all net amount basically. Okay, so premium on marine is 21,60,000. There is nothing else given under premium because there's no other premium given. So we'll take that marine directly, 21,60,000. Nothing related to PNL redemption of investment. I don't think there's anything else. So we put it as nil. No others, no interest. So the total comes to 21,60,000. Now claim paid, very important. I can see your claim paid directly. Marine ka is given 7,20,000. So we take it as 7,20,000. Commission, I can see two things. I can see commission paid and commission ceded. So commission paid of marine is 2,16,000 and ceded is 1,20,000. So we'll get the difference. 2,16,000 minus 1,20,000. Okay, 2,16,000 minus 1,20,000. So it comes to around 96,000. So we'll take it directly as 96,000. That is nothing but the difference between the both. Now for operating, okay, operating ke liye only check those expenses which are for marine related. So I can see your bad debts marine and management expense marine. So 2,90,000 plus 24,000, that will become 3 lakh. Marine was 8 lakhs, not 2,90,000. It is 8 lakh. That is for fire. Okay, so I'll just erase this part. Okay, marine is 8 lakh management expense, and for bad debts it is 24. So 8 lakh 24 was the total. Once I get there, we get the total. So 7 lakh 20 plus 96 plus 8 lakh 24 comes to 16 lakh 40. Here, income is more, 21 lakh 60 minus 1640 will give you a positive 5 lakh 20,000. So we have an operating profit of 5 lakh 20,000. Whatever we have done here for marine, now the same thing we will do it for fire insurance also. Okay, same way. For fire revenue account, again, premium. So here under premium fire is 12 lakhs. So we noted 12 lakhs. There was no other income. So 12 lakhs is the A part total. Claim paid here. Claim of fire is 3 lakh 60,000. Commission again 1 lakh 80 minus 60,000 because we are seeded and paid. So which comes to 1 lakh 20. Operating expense के लिए we have bad debts of fire insurance, that is 10,000, and management is 290. So 290 plus 10 is 3 lakhs. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 780 is the total. 12 lakhs minus 780 is a profit. So it will be 4 lakh 20,000 ka profit. Okay. Now, I hope everyone have understood this two part. Okay, we found this was similar to the question number 3, the first part that we had done. Okay. Now, once you got marine car revenue and fire insurance car revenue account, now we have to prepare profit and loss account. So the very first thing what it will be important is to note down the format. Okay. So this is Form B of profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2022. Part A, operating profit. Part B, income from investment. Part 3 is other income. That will give you your total incomes. Part 4 is provision. Part 5 is expenses. When you subtract, you will get your profit before tax. Now, fire insurance operating is the profit, is the operating profit that we had done. See, here it was 4 lakh 20,000, and in marine it was 5 lakh 40. So 4 lakh 20,000 is from fire insurance, and marine it was 5 lakh 20. Okay, there was no miscellaneous business, so when you add up, it became 9 lakh 40,000. Now, interest dividend. Okay, first of all, let us mark what all things we have already done. See, this is over. Insurance is done. Bad debts are done. Reinsurance ceded is done. Management expenses are done. Premium paid is done. Okay, so all these things are done. So now let us check what other incomes are there. So income from investment, may you have interest dividend. So I can see here interest dividend of 28,000. So we noted down. Profit on sale of any investment, that's the profit on sale of land. I can see that. We'll put it as 1 lakh 20. Okay. Other income, any other incomes are available. See, I can see your bad debts recovery is there, that is 4,000. Miscellaneous receipt is there of 10,000. And yeah, I guess those are the only two things which we found. So 10,000 and 4. So I can see 14,000 ka other income. And one more thing is missed out. Let me see if I have taken it. Okay, yeah, there is share transfer fees of 8,000. So 8 and 4, 12, 12 plus 10, 22. Okay, so that is my other income. So remember, other income, may we have bad debts recovery. Okay, we had the share transfer expense, and we had the miscellaneous receipt. So those are the three things which you have to remember. Okay. So when you total it up, so 9 lakh 40,000 plus 28 plus 1 lakh 20 plus 22,000 came to 11 lakh 10,000. Okay. So that's the total income part. Okay. The part A is done. Now part B may provision other than tax. So if you look carefully, if there are any provisions, okay, if you look carefully, when we went through, there were no other provisions available. Okay. So I'll just cross out what all things we have already marked right now. So even these are done. Okay, so now we jump to other expenses. Other expenses may we have very first thing only, it's known as expenses. So let us see which are the expenses which are there in the question. There was director's fees, there was auditor's fees, and there was depreciation. Those are the only three things remaining. Rest everything has been crossed out. And share capital. Share capital doesn't come in P&L account, so that's a dummy amount there. So 50 plus 30 is 80, 80 plus 70 is 1 lakh 50,000. We noted down. So once you have noted down, I will cross out those values also. So now there's nothing else remaining here. So no bad debts, no other. So the total comes to 1 lakh 50. Finally, 11 lakh 10,000 minus 1 lakh 50. That will give you your profit before tax. Okay, which comes to 9 lakh 60,000. So with this, we were able to solve revenue account, marine account, and profit and loss account of Jai General Insurance Company. Okay. So I hope everyone have understood both the types of sum that we had done in this in question number 3. Okay. Chalo, with that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.